This Faceless channel pulled in $84,000 last year without even showing his face. All he does is whiteboard animations and voiceovers. He has an entire team of people working for him, animators, sketch artists, a voiceover artist. He spends thousands of dollars a month. I just got access to a new AI tool that does everything that his team does for a fraction of the cost. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy what this guy built without the team, without the budget, and without ever showing your face. There's a channel called After School, Whiteboard Animations, and that's it. It's colored markers on a white background. There's no face, there's no fancy editing, and there's no studio, just drawings and a voiceover. 3.5 million subscribers and almost 250 million views. Check this out. 10 million views, 10 million views, 8.6 million, 8.2 million, 7.7, 6.6, 6.1. It's so insane how many views this channel gets. But he's not the only one. There's channels like this across YouTube, channels like Sketchocalypse. These channels are raking in massive amounts of money. Check out how much they make per year. They're all whiteboard animations, faceless, stacking cash. Nobody knows who these people are, yet they're making a full-time living and building an empire off of these types of videos. Let's take this video for example. This video by Sketchocalypse has 1.2 million views and was made in under 10 minutes with Golpo. Let me paint this picture for you real quick. After School, the channel that I just mentioned, this guy takes speeches and ideas from people like Alan Watts, Jim Carrey, Jordan Peterson, and he illustrates them in a way that makes people absolutely obsessed. And people can't stop watching this because the whiteboard style holds your attention in a way that regular videos don't. You're watching the drawing unfold in real time. You're following along, you're learning, and your brain is locked in. Check this out, guys. This is absolutely phenomenal. These types of videos go super, super mega viral. And that's why channels like this are printing money. This is 2026, guys. I don't think any of us want to work a 9-to-5 job anymore. It's possible with videos like this. These aren't small side projects or side hustles. These are full-blown media businesses, and they were all built without anyone ever showing their face. But the problem has always been that this stuff takes forever to make. So animations, voiceovers, syncing, editing. We're talking hours and hours per video, possibly weeks and months. These videos are so intricate. And that's why most people never start until now. This is Golpo AI 2.0, and the reason I'm hyped about this is because it does what used to take an entire production team, and it does it in minutes. You give it a topic, you can upload a document, a PDF, a Word file, whatever you got, and it generates a full whiteboard animation video, voiceover, drawings, transitions, scene by scene, done. And 2.0 is a completely different beast from the first version. It's more accurate, it handles way more complex and technical material, and here's the big one. Once the video is generated, you can edit it using prompts. You can just tell it what you want in plain English and it just adjusts. There's no editing software, there's no timeline, there's no learning curve. You just talk to it like you're talking to your best friend. It's like ChatGPT, but for creating these types of storyboard animations. It supports over 40 languages. The voiceovers sound natural, and the whole thing was built by Stanford founders and backed by YC. These are the same people who backed Airbnb, Stripe, and DoorDash, and we all know where those companies are right now. So this isn't some random app that's going to disappear next month. Now think about what this means. The channels that I just told you about, like After School and Sketchocalypse, they have entire teams making their content, or at least they used to. You can produce similar quality content by yourself from a laptop in the time that it takes to eat lunch or have a cup of coffee. That is absolutely insane. That's the advantage that you have right now that they didn't have when they started. Okay, here's how to use it. Go to video.golpoai.com, sign up, the free tier is available so you can test it. All you have to do is type a single prompt like this. Make me a video about how dolphins migrate in the summer. You can also paste the script in this box, upload a document here, or you can record your screen here. We can add optional instructions here, edit the script before creating the video, and let's keep it on color. There's music, there's the duration option, we're gonna set it to 1 minute. There's the voices, orientation horizontal or vertical if you're doing YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And of course, we have over 40 languages that you can choose from here. For now, we're gonna go with English. You can add your logo, And here's the estimated generation time. We're going to generate video. But before we click on generate video, we're going to click on Golpo 2.0. Let's talk about pricing. Now, there's the free tier. There's the starter, which starts at $40 a month. This is solid if you want to do some testing. But if you're actually trying to build something reputable, if you're trying to build a channel, a business, a service, you need the business tier. I know it sounds pricey, but listen, it's the only tier that gives you the full workflow in one shot. Prompt in, video out, then prompt-based editing, storyboarding, scene-by-scene control, longer videos, the whole nine. And the math makes it obvious. You're either spending 6 hours making one video yourself, and obviously your time is worth money, or you're paying a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork hundreds to thousands of dollars per video. The business tier costs a fraction of both. It's not expensive. It's the cheapest option that exists when you actually think about it. If you want to build a full business, I would highly recommend going for this option. Now, here's 3 powerful ways to start making money with this today. The first one, and my personal favorite, is Faceless YouTube. What you saw in After School, 3.5 million subs, whiteboard animations, no face. Pick a niche, finance, psychology, technology, history, health, and start uploading. You don't need to be perfect, guys. Just start. Any idea that's perfect is an idea that's not profitable. You're not going to be perfect. Just start. Your first video is probably not going to be that good, but guess what? You're going to get better video after video. With Golpo, you can do 3 to 5 videos per week instead of 1. High CPM niches that pay $8 to $30 per 1,000 views. The numbers don't lie, guys. 5 to 84,000 per year. Check out Sketchopolis. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy how much money they can make. And this is only from ad revenue. This right here, this number on Social Blade is only from ad revenue. These people have courses and affiliate links and sponsorships and brand deals and merchandise. This is only a small fraction of what can actually be made when you do the math. Basic, $250. Standard, $600. $600 for a 16 to 30 second video. Premium is $1,300. It's crazy what these people are charging, guys. Why can't this be you? Why can't you be the one who makes money selling these videos to people on Fiverr, Upwork, and also Facebook groups? Facebook groups, there are millions of businesses who need your help, and they're actively looking for people like you. Business idea number 3, build courses. You can build a course about anything you want, guys, and sell on programs like Udemy, Gumroad, Skillshare. The sky is the limit with this too. Start pushing out organic videos for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and LinkedIn and X and Facebook and Snapchat. Organic content is free and you can push people to your course. There are so many ways to make money with this, guys. And in 2026, honestly, I don't think there's any excuses. I think with channels like Sketchopolis and channels like After School, these people are making a full-time living and getting rich off of videos like this. It's just, you know, when I first got introduced to Faceless videos, I thought it was all bullshit. I'm like, no, this doesn't exist. You can't make money off videos like this. I started diving deeper into it. Pretty soon, I created the best-selling #1 course in the entire world for Faceless YouTube videos, teaching students how to do the very same thing. And it's like, my course doesn't even matter. You don't need my course, guys. You do not need my course. All you need is to stay up to date on the latest and greatest ways to make money with content and AI. That's why I created the AI Income Weekly. It's a free weekly newsletter that I send you that breaks down the latest and the greatest AI news, trends, and tools in a step-by-step fashion and shows you how to make money with them. It's simple. It's meant for normal people like you and I to understand. We'd love to have you part of the family. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join completely for free. Look, After School started with a whiteboard and colored markers. Imagine what you can do with AI doing the heavy lifting for you. It's 95% done. All you have to do is upload the videos. The playing field just got leveled and most people are absolutely sleeping on it. And if you want to use Golpo, check out the link in the description. Try the free tier, try it out, see if you like it, and then join the business tier. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. Newsletter, link in the description. Golpo, link in the description, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.